Ornaments. Today's project is something that I love to do every year ever since I discovered Couture, and that is to make these cute wood slice ornaments. I've made them every year. I love using these with the Christmas minis. They're just a fun and easy project. So I just went ahead and I painted each of these black. In the past I've done teal and pink and red, but this year I'm sticking with a black and white theme on these. So I just grabbed my Christmas minis. These come in a set of 12, so there's 12 different images for you to choose from. So lots of options for different ornaments, but I'm just going to make a few right here. And I'm sticking with the chalk paste in white, but I did add a little bit of rust colored chalk paste for that snowman's nose because he definitely needed a cute orange carrot nose. So once those are all dry, I'm going to add some twine, some ribbon, and a cute bead on the top just to add a little bit of an accent. And that's why I love these ornaments. You can change them up depending on what your decor is, any color you want to choose, any color bead, any color paint. Like I said, I've done these in the past with more traditional colors, and I'm sticking with the black and white theme this year, and I just love how these turned out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more, be sure you like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.